M0FXB, we're going to add HUBNET talk group 23526 to our ANYTONE 878 code plug. So first thing is open up your code plug. I've connected the cable that you can see the radio. So we're just gonna go to a channel. I'm gonna be using it on my dual band hat. As you can see, that's already has a code plug for talk group 91 here. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here. So if we go into the channel, and then what we're going to do, we're going to rename the channel at the top here to HUBNET. So it's nice and easy to find. I will put the group number in, just as a reminder to what that is, which is 23526, or the talk group number. So 23526. So everything else will already be in here that we need, but it did say use slot 1. So I'm going to put that to slot 1. I've left it a color code 1. Hopefully that is correct. The next thing is we need to select the talk group number. So it's probably, I don't know if that's in the talk group list, so we're going to have a look now. If it takes me ages, I'll pause the video, but we might just add it. So what you do, you've got to go to digital. Let's okay that for now. Go to digital here. Radio ID list, is that the one? No, that's just that. Go to contact talk groups. Now, yeah, that will be a very long list. So we're looking for the 2, 3. Let's see if it's in there. Let's go down. 2, 3, 5. It's going to be way further, isn't it? 2, 3. All right, 5. Getting close. There it is, HUBNET. So that's the one we want. 23526. Right, so we know it's in there. So now we go back to the channels, and it's really important that here we add 23526. But as you can see, we've got to try and find it. So we're hoping it's not too hard. As you can see, it can be a bit of a minefield if you've got one of these pre-made code plugs. So I'm looking at the numbers. There is some sort of similarity, isn't there? So we might get lucky. There it is there, HUBNET. Okay. So, found that. So we got the right talk group in here. Power's on mid. I like that. So you click OK. So that's your new channel. Now we've got to add that channel to our zone. Otherwise, when you're clicking through the radio, you won't find it. It'll be in your list of channels, but it won't be in the zone, because channels always have to be in a zone for you to find them. So we go to zones, and the zone that I mainly use is my home hotspot. All I've got to do now is scroll to the bottom of this, and there it is, because the new ones you add are always at the bottom. So click that and then send it across, and now it's in our zone. So on the zone, when I turn through the radio, when we're on the zone that's called home hotspot, you'll be able to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 channels at the moment. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another one on slot 2, exactly the same, just in case it is slot 2. So all we do is click OK. So go to channel. Sorry, we'll select the line, just like one click, then we'll copy. Go to the line below, click, paste. And all we've got to do is double click that and change that to slot 2. Click OK. Actually, we need to mark it up here that it's slot in the name that it's slot 2. So we'll just shorten the name to Hub SL2. Just put a gap there really. Okay, SL2. Click OK, and then we've got to put that in our zone. So go to zone, double click the zone you're using, go all the way to the bottom, and it will be there, like so, and we'll send it across. Always OK it with an ANYTONE radio. So now we've got the lead plugged in. We're pretty sure the COM port on mine is 5, yeah. That's it, but you can tell that by going right click, device manager, double click ports, and there it is there, GD232. So anyway, then we're going to click this little mini radio here, which says write data to radio. We're going to click OK. We're not going to select digital contacts because you only really have to do that once, or every time you update the contact list. So it's quicker just to tick the bottom box and click OK. And if it works well, you'll see the radio saying PC write, and it will send that across. And then what we'll do, we'll turn it on and we'll try and connect, and then we'll end the video. Right, that all seems, and we'll save it. We'll click the little save here, so we know we've got that. Click OK. Right, let's let it boot up. I'll unplug the cable from it. Right, just reaching over here, so right, just see what you can see a minute. I want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. Let's just expand that a bit so you can easily see. Right, so we've turned the radio on and we're on the Pi-Star hotspot section, or my hotspot zone already by default, and I've set that to do that when it turns on. So now we're just going to turn to the one that says HUBNET. Right. Now let's try and... the second one across should say HUBNET slot 2, yeah. So let's just try that. Now, what I might do is... let me think now. Let's key, because I got a feeling that talk group 921 is active, so we have to wait until someone stops speaking at the moment. So unless it'll going on slot 1, because we are using the dual band MMDVM. Let's just key, see what happens. I think what we'll do now, we'll go to our Pi-Star hotspot. So, right. So we'll go, let's get the right, I think it's 19, I think I remember the IP address of this. Right, there you go. So we're definitely in, that was definitely HUBNET.
G6 Tango Golf Zulu, G0 Charlie Delta X-ray. Yeah, good morning. Name is Paul. QTH is Wickford in Essex. G6 Tango Golf.
Right, so we have success. Very pleased about that. HUBNET is excellent. Have a look at their site. Very active. It's not just digital contacts, it's analog contacts. It's connected to many things, including Echolink. And it can be accessed via C4 FM and D-Star and other ways as well. So right, well I hope that helps you get your ANYTONE DMR radio. That'll work for the ANYTONE 868 and 78. I'll say 7.3. Please subscribe and like my channel. And then I'm going to go off now and we're going to do the Retivis RT3S dual band radio. 7.3.